यहाँ पे पूरा अमेरिका का हर स्टेट का रिप्रेजेंटेशन आया हुआ है, जो रिपब्लिकन रिप्रेजेंटेशन है पूरी हर 50 स्टेट्स के।
News, views, voices of the global Indian community. India abroad.
All the delegates, they came over here and they nominate President Trump as the next president of this country for the party for the election. So this is the nomination process. All the state representatives, all the delegates come over here, and you see the excitement of all the delegates. And the country is going to change. Party is going to change. Now you will see the next president from the Republican Party, Democrat. They were failed in the foreign policy, inflation, border security. Now the country wants to see the change, and President Trump has the ability to make the changes. He has the proven record. He did it once. He will do it the second time. So, and the second thing is this. Trump administration is always good with the India. हमारी फॉरेन पॉलिसी इंडिया के साथ और यूएस के साथ बहुत अच्छी रही ट्रम्प एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन, एंड आई एम होपिंग दिस हमारी इंडिया और अमेरिका की फॉरेन पॉलिसी और अच्छी हो, क्योंकि हमको चाहिए अपना एलाइज विद अमेरिका, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. एंड आई एज ए elected official from New Jersey state, I'm here to support President Trump, and I see the over 4.5 million Indians live in this country. I urge them to support President Trump, because what I see, this country need somebody strong president to make this country strong and the safe. It's for for everyone. इनका जो टर्म रहा बड़ा ख़राब टर्म रहा हर तरह से. फॉरेन पॉलिसी फेल थी, इन्फ्लेशन इतना बढ़ गया, महंगाई इतनी बढ़ गई, बॉर्डर खुले हुए हैं बिल्कुल, आप कोई भी आ सकता है, कोई भी जा सकता है. तो ये सारी चीज़ें जो हैं पाइल्ड अप होते होते बिल्कुल ही एक जगह पे चली गई. कंट्री इज़ नॉट रेडी फॉर द डेमोक्रेट प्रेसिडेंट. So this is the time that country wants to see the change. Indian voters are very smart. Indians itself, they are all the businessmen, and Republican always support the businesses, right? And when, especially in New Jersey, I see all Indians, not all Indian, but big number of the Indians, they're changing their affiliation to the Republican this time. They are not going with the Democrat. It's enough for them. So you will see the difference. All the Indians going to vote for Trump this time. I mean, look at the dedication of the President Trump. President Trump doesn't need a power. He has enough. He could sit, relax home, but he took so many false charges against him in the court in New York. He came out through. Then he took the bullet for this country. So he is the legend by himself. And this is unfortunate thing happened to him, and I wish it never happened. And God save him life. This is millimeters. It's a biggest dark mark for the U.S. president that could be in that kind of situation. Oh, President Trump, I saw him yesterday, and I'll see him today, and he is excited. He's ready to make the changes, and he's ready to be elected again. So he has in his speech and in every way that he's ready for.